Okay, good morning and welcome to Southern Cross Go. Today we're going to go for brunch or breakfast brunch. We're going to check out a little place. Now this is a hidden gem, this place. It's called Campo Saga. It's on Jalan Mahendra. So let's go. So it's right on Jalan Mahendra, just near the traffic lights to Jalan Marlborough. And the name is Campo Saga. It's a really good hidden away little restaurant. It's definitely a hidden gem. It's got great food, it's cheap, it's got the swimming pool, it's got everything you need. It's definitely worth checking out. Campo Saga. Okay, what did you get, Yuli?
This is nasi ayam sambal matang.
Looks good. And I just got a breakfast burrito, which is like ham and eggs in a tortilla, fried, and chips. Breakfast. Good? What's it like?
They use traditional coconut oil to make sambal matang. Yeah, very campur.
Okay, so I'm going to try the breakfast burrito. They're pretty good, pretty big. Try it out. Very good. It's just like ham and eggs. So this is about 38,000 and that was about 40,000. And with the drinks, we're probably looking at about $9, maybe $10. I think this was $4, that was $4. And the drinks are about, I don't know, $1 each. So pretty good value and really good setting. Let's check that out. So what do you get with that? Krupuk? Is it krupuk? Huh?
Call it payet.
Payet. So it's chicken with onions. Looks like sambal mata, isn't it?
It is.
Right, so it's sambal mata on chicken, some fried beans and garlic, some krupuk and a bit of salad. Looks good. This is really good. The salad's nice. A little bit of guacamole. Good stuff.
They put it in the bottom. Better.
Okay, so they give you a bit of guacamole and salsa. So it's also got mozzarella cheese in it too. Wow, they're really good. The morning burrito. Really good restaurant. Now down here they have parties and stuff. There's another house down the bottom. As you can see, there's a party set up. There's a party on today. And then the second level, there's a swimming pool. Little kids play area. It's a really great style of a restaurant. We've got kids swings down here and a little boat thing they can sit out on. So it's really kid friendly because they've got the kids swimming pool. There's two swimming pools. There's another pool up top here. It's really shallow for the kids in the top level. And then the main restaurant. Really is a great setup, this one. And up top there's a thing up there like an air conditioned room up top where you can have private parties as well. Campo Saga. So they have organised packages for parties here. and organised packages. It starts at 100,000 for the cheap packet, and then 125,000, 150,000, depending on what food. Minimum 25 people, and yeah, so it costs about $300 to have 25 or 30 people, fully catered for with decorations. Very good value. Okay, so all that was about 120,000. That's with tax and service charge, so it's pretty cheap. About $10–12 for a good breakfast.
It's my brunch.
Alright, so they've also got ice creams in here too. Gelato and ice creams. Gelato mix. Very good. Live music. Every night they have live music in here. It's got a great sized car park. Really good sized car park here. You can see there's a lot of people here because of the party on at the moment. So what do you think, Yuli?
It's a great place, good food and affordable.
Right.
Yep, I like it.
I like it. Alright, and what do you give it a rating?
9.5, good service. The staff is friendly.
Alright, staff's friendly, 9.5. That's a pretty high rating, but it is really good. And yeah, Campo Saga. So I suppose I'll give it a good solid 8. You can't give it a 9 or a 10 because that's got to be really top quality restaurant. But anyway, Campo Saga, I rate it at a good solid 8. I reckon it's good. We've been here a few times. The food's always good. The service is always good. And yeah, great place, Campo Saga.